Hi, it's Dr. Ramey. I'm going to demonstrate how to get your microscope set up for use. I'm going to come over to the microscope cabinet, going to carefully grab the microscope with my dominant hand by the holder. I'm going to slide it out slowly, and I'm going to put my non-dominant hand on the bottom and then pull it out of the cabinet. It's pretty heavy, so be ready for the weight. I'm going to very carefully carry it over to my lab station, and I'm going to put it on the bench, and as I do so, I'm going to flip it around 180 degrees so that when I remove the dust cover, the ocular lenses will be facing out towards me. Once I have the microscope on the bench, I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to unwrap the power cord in the back. And you want to unwrap it completely. I'm going to plug it in to my closest receptacle. And I'm also going to plug in the camera. So I'm going to unwind the camera power cord all the way. I'm going to take the plug it into the camera if it's not already plugged in, and then I'm going to plug the other end of the power cord into a receptacle. So now the camera is powered, the microscope is powered. I'm going to now on the back turn the microscope on, and it is ready to be used. If at any time that you need to reposition the microscope, don't scoot it across the bench top. That sometimes will cause a vibration, which is bad for the microscope. It's very sensitive. It's better to grasp it by the holder in the back and gently lift using both hands. You don't have to lift it completely off the bench, but take some of the weight off of the little rubber pads that are underneath. Take some of that weight off, and then you can move it around kind of like an ice skater on ice without it actually causing a vibration from those rubber pads grabbing a hold of the bench top.